Solve the equation. The fifth root of x plus 5 over 5 plus the fifth root of x plus 5 over x equals 64 over 5 times the fifth root of x minus 1 times x minus 1 over x.
This video contains the following sections: reading the problem carefully and understanding it, developing a plan to solve it, solving the problem, thinking about it further and try to apply the approach to other problems. Near the end of the video, there's an additional question which can be solved using a similar approach to that used for solving the specific problem. If you find these helpful, please subscribe to the channel for notification of new videos by pressing the video watermark in the right-hand corner of the video player.
Solve this radical and fractional equation. Know that x doesn't equal 0. Simplify the equation and write it as a non-fractional equation by multiplying both sides of the equation by a common denominator. Simplify the equation further by applying the product of Power's rule and by raising both sides of the equation to the index of the radicals. Solve the resulting equation. Verify the solutions with the original equation. Careful about potential extraneous solutions or missing solutions. Multiply both sides of the equation by 5x. We have x plus 5 times the fifth root of x plus 5 equals 64 times the fifth root of x minus 1 times x minus 1, x plus 5 times x plus 5 all to the power of 1 over 5 equals 64 times x minus 1 all to the power of 1 over 5 times x minus 1. The product of Power's rule states that a to the power of m times a to the power of n equals a to the power of m plus n, where m, n are integers. This rule also applies to p, q, which are rationals. Now we apply this rule to the equation. We have x plus 5 all to the power of 6 over 5 equals 2 to the power of 6 times x minus 1 all to the power of 6 over 5, x plus 5 over x minus 1 all to the power of 6 over 5 equals 2 to the power of 6 by rearranging the equation. 2 to the power of 6 can be written as 32 to the power of 6 over 5. Raise both sides of the equation to the power of 5. We have x plus 5 over x minus 1 all to the power of 6 equals 32 all to the power of 6. So x plus 5 over x minus 1 equals plus minus 32, not just 32. X plus 5 equals 32 times x minus 1, or x plus 5 equals minus 32 times x minus 1. 31x equals 37, or 33x equals 27. So x equals 37 over 31, or x equals 37 over 33. Verify x equals 37 over 31, or x equals 27 over 33. With the equation, verifying these solutions analytically might not be easy. Calculators can be used by verification. Here are the solutions of the original equation. Think about the thought process for the previous question further and try to apply the approach to other problems, such as this one. Solve the equation 7th root of y minus 7 over 7 minus the 7th root of y minus 7 over y equals 256 over 7 times the 7th root of y. You can write your answers in the comments section if you like. If you have any mathematics questions of interest, you can write these in the comments section if you like. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. See you next time.